Hello, and welcome to Curiosity TV, where we aim to ignite your imagination. Okay, today we're going to be looking at why we can easily see the moon in the sky, even though the moon does not emit any light itself. To do this, we're going to be investigating how light actually travels and how it can actually reflect off things. To do this, we're going to be having some fun with my little bouncy ball here. Let's get started. So here we have a cannon and a wall. And here is my bouncy ball. Let's load it into the cannon and shoot it out at the wall to see what happens. 3, 2, 1, fire! We see that it will bounce away when it hits a hard object such as this wall. Let's add a target and see what happens. Let's place the bouncy ball back into the cannon. 3, 2, 1, fire! I can even hit a target that is facing a different direction because the ball has reflected off the wall, which has changed its direction. Okay, now I think it's a good time to let you know that light is actually similar to this bouncy ball, except light is much smaller. In fact, over 1,000 times smaller than this bouncy ball. And light travels much faster. Light can actually travel from the distance of the Earth to the Moon in just over 1 second. Now that's fast. Okay, so we have shown that light travels a bit like a bouncy ball, only much smaller and much faster. Now, let's change the cannon that shoots the bouncy ball into the sun. Let's change the wall into our moon. And we can change the target we hit into us here on Earth. The sun releases billions and billions of light particles every second. The light will speed through space forever unless it hits something. In this case, the light has hit our moon and has bounced back into outer space. Some light gets absorbed by the moon, and that's the end of its journey. But some reflects into a direction that will send it straight to Earth. So even though the moon doesn't emit any light itself, it has reflected some of the light that has travelled all the way from the sun and sent it down to Earth. And so this is why we can easily see the moon in our sky, because the light has reflected from the sun, bounced off our moon, and down to us on Earth. Okay, I hope that you've learned something new and had fun at the same time. Until next time, bye for now.